Unnoticed mechanical issues can disrupt facility operations and lead to costly downtime. One common culprit is a loose belt in machinery like HVAC systems, conveyors, or elevators. Addressing loose belts early is essential for maintaining efficiency and avoiding unexpected failures. A loose belt may seem minor, but it can cause significant problems. It reduces efficiency by slipping, which wastes energy. Excess friction from slipping increases wear on pulleys and bearings. Motors can overheat, shortening their lifespan. Worst of all, a failed belt can shut down critical systems, causing unplanned maintenance and operational disruptions. Traditional maintenance relies on manual inspections for visible damage, but this often misses gradual loosening. By the time you hear squealing noises or notice performance drops, damage may already be happening. Early detection is key to preventing costly repairs and downtime. Volta Insite's InsiteAI solution uses real-time monitoring and predictive analytics to spot loose belts before they fail. By tracking harmonic signatures, InsiteAI alerts facility managers to abnormal trends, enabling proactive maintenance and avoiding unexpected breakdowns. In April 2021, InsiteAI detected a gradual increase in a key harmonic in an elevator system, signaling a loose belt. Maintenance restored normal operation, preventing failure and costly downtime. With InsiteAI, facilities can improve reliability, extend equipment life, and optimize efficiency.